Ideally, it would be 2 boys and 2 girls, one of which would definitely be a tomboy. Ideally, it would be 2 boys and 2 girls, one of which would definitely be a tomboy. Ideally, it would be 2 boys and 2 girls, one of which would definitely be a tomboy.
I've got 20 tubes coming out of my body, one of which goes directly into my you-know-what. I've got 20 tubes coming out of my body, one of which goes directly into my you-know-what. I've got 20 tubes coming out of my body, one of which goes directly into my you-know-what.
One of which Justin Bieber used on his last tour to make water balloons. One of which Justin Bieber used on his last tour to make water balloons. One of which Justin Bieber used on his last tour to make water balloons.
One of which you accidentally shoved into Joe's body. One of which you accidentally shoved into Joe's body. One of which you accidentally shoved into Joe's body. One of which you accidentally shoved into Joe's body.
Pegasus put all these protocols in place, one of which is telling me that I have to do hernia repairs using their stupid Varner technique. Pegasus put all these protocols in place, one of which is telling me that I have to do hernia repairs using their stupid Varner technique. Pegasus put all these protocols in place, one of which is telling me that I have to do hernia repairs using their stupid Varner technique. Pegasus put all these protocols in place, one of which is telling me that I have to do hernia repairs using their stupid Varner technique.
All of which sounds very noble. All of which sounds very noble. All of which sounds very noble. All of which sounds very noble.
We offer a wonderful selection of works of art, all of which have been generously donated. We offer a wonderful selection of works of art, all of which have been generously donated. We offer a wonderful selection of works of art, all of which have been generously donated. We offer a wonderful selection of works of art, all of which have been generously donated.
It's a very long list of reasons, Elena, all of which I'm sure you've thought about. It's a very long list of reasons, Elena, all of which I'm sure you've thought about. It's a very long list of reasons, Elena, all of which I'm sure you've thought about. It's a very long list of reasons, Elena, all of which I'm sure you've thought about.
Both of which we repaired, so the surgery was a success. Both of which we repaired, so the surgery was a success. Both of which we repaired, so the surgery was a success. Both of which we repaired, so the surgery was a success.
Does that mean 2 surgeries?
No, it means 2 procedures, both of which I propose to perform during one surgery.
Does that mean 2 surgeries?
No, it means 2 procedures, both of which I propose to perform during one surgery.
Does that mean 2 surgeries?
No, it means 2 procedures, both of which I propose to perform during one surgery.
Does that mean 2 surgeries?
No, it means 2 procedures, both of which I propose to perform during one surgery.
Our brawl was caught on 2 cameras, both of which shall use the provocateur. Our brawl was caught on 2 cameras, both of which shall use the provocateur. Our brawl was caught on 2 cameras, both of which shall use the provocateur. Our brawl was caught on 2 cameras, both of which shall use the provocateur.
He suffered both a mild concussion and hypothermia, either of which can result in memory loss. He suffered both a mild concussion and hypothermia, either of which can result in memory loss. He suffered both a mild concussion and hypothermia, either of which can result in memory loss. He suffered both a mild concussion and hypothermia, either of which can result in memory loss.
Neither of which stray too far from your, hey, it's Tuesday look. Neither of which stray too far from your, hey, it's Tuesday look. Neither of which stray too far from your, hey, it's Tuesday look. Neither of which stray too far from your, hey, it's Tuesday look.
Look at
I need immediate delivery of 4 venti lattes with extra shots, none of which are for you. I need immediate delivery of 4 venti lattes with extra shots, none of which are for you. I need immediate delivery of 4 venti lattes with extra shots, none of which are for you. I need immediate delivery of 4 venti lattes with extra shots, none of which are for you.
Evidently, Samantha had had lots of sex, none of which was secret. Evidently, Samantha had had lots of sex, none of which was secret. Evidently, Samantha had had lots of sex, none of which was secret. Evidently, Samantha had had lots of sex, none of which was secret.